So ಇಲ್ಲಿ instead of using the word production and all, like I go to anything related with nature ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, because production ಒಂಚೂರು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I will take the word anything related to nature. It may be mining irbodu, agriculture irbodu, fishing irbodu, whatever may be the case. So anything that you get directly from the nature, I can call it as primary sector of the economy. Anything that you get out of this primary sector or manufacturing sector, that is called as secondary. And to get to these things, we need what is called as tertiary sector. So to give you an example, growing tomato is
primary.
Sir.
Primary. Making tomato to ketchup is
Secondary.
But someone has to carry this tomato from agriculture field to market or industry, and from the manufacturing industry to consumer. Correct or not, sir?
Yes, sir.
Who is that person?
Service tertiary.
So he is neither involved in production of tomato or growing of tomato, nor in making of ketchup. He is just providing the service of carrying this tomato from agriculture field to industry or the manufacturing plant, and from that manufacturing plant to the end customer. Service sector. Are you getting it, sir?
Yes, sir.
So now if you look at this, if any of the industry or any of the sector of an economy, if it is contributing greater than 50% to the national income of that country, then we can categorize that economy based on that sector only. Meaning to say, if agriculture is contributing 50% or greater than 50% to any industry, any country's GDP or national income, then can I call that country as primary sector based economy?
Yes, sir.
If manufacturing is providing greater than 50%, can I call that country or that economy as secondary sector based economy?
Yes, sir.
If tertiary is providing greater than 50%, can I call that country as tertiary sector based economy?
Yes, sir.
So if I make a statement like this, Indian economy of 1947 was primary sector based, whereas the Indian economy of 2023 is tertiary sector based.
True, sir.
Correct or not, sir?
True, sir.
So now if you look at the screen, what is that I have written here, sir?
1947
and primary 2023 and tertiary. Correct or not, sir? Tertiary. So have I written anything here in the middle?
No, sir.
So ಇದು ಒಂದು primary sector ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಒಂದು tertiary sector ಆಯ್ತು. Have I written anything in the middle here?
Nothing, sir.
I could have written ಅಲ್ವಾ 1985 secondary ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬರೀಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹಾ, sir.
So why did I not write?
Missing middle.
What is that I wrote, sir?
Missing middle.
Missing middle. The basic or the primary characteristic of Indian economy is the missing middle. We directly jumped from primary sector to tertiary sector without going to the industrial sector or the secondary sector. That is the reason why we do not have an industrial base or the manufacturing base in India. The characteristics of Indian economy, the problem of Indian economy, it is having a missing middle. Industrial base India dalli illa. Are you getting it, sir?
Yes, sir.
We directly jumped from 1947 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 1947 IT ಇತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, BT ಇತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲ, it was all basically agriculture contributed greater than 50% of our GDP. That is why we call 1947 ಅಲ್ಲಿ India is a primary sector based economy. As it come 2023, our service sector or the IT sector basically is contributing greater than 50%. So we can call this economy as tertiary sector based economy. But we directly jumped from primary to tertiary without going to what is called as industrial base. That is why the characteristics of Indian economy is missing middle. Are you getting it, sir?
Yes, sir.
So if I make a statement, another statement like this. Am I right or wrong, sir?
Right, sir.
India wants production by masses, meaning to say we have mass population in India, huge population ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ secondary sector or the industrial sector or the manufacturing sector ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, we could have employed all of these people in these industries, thereby increasing our employment rate. But we are missing this. But what we have today is mass production, meaning to say production by the machines, thereby leading to greater level of unemployment. Are you getting it, sir?
Yes, sir.